Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to send money from France to Bangladesh step by step. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a clear and concise understanding of the process, allowing you to make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. To begin, you will need to choose a suitable method for sending money from France to Bangladesh. The most common options include bank transfers, online money transfer services, and money transfer operators such as Western Union or MoneyGram. Each method has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, including fees, exchange rates, and transfer times. Once you have selected a method, you will need to gather the necessary information and documents. This typically includes the recipient's full name, address, and bank account details, as well as your own identification and proof of address. It is essential to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date to avoid any delays or complications. Next, you will need to create an account with your chosen service provider. If you do not already have one, this can usually be done online or through a mobile app, and will require you to provide some basic personal and financial information. Be sure to read and understand the terms and conditions before agreeing to them. With your account set up, you can now initiate the transfer process. This will typically involve entering the recipient's details, selecting the transfer amount, and choosing your payment method. You may also be given the option to add a message or instruction to the transfer. Before confirming the transfer, it is crucial to review all the details carefully, including the exchange rate, fees, and transfer time. This will help you avoid any unexpected costs or delays. You should also be aware of any daily or monthly transfer limits that may apply. Once you have confirmed the transfer, the funds will be processed and sent to the recipient's account. The transfer time will depend on the method you have chosen, but most services offer fast and reliable transfers that can be completed within a few hours or days. In conclusion, sending money from France to Bangladesh is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you follow the steps outlined in this guide. By choosing a suitable method, gathering the necessary information, creating an account, initiating the transfer, reviewing the details, and confirming the transfer, you can ensure a safe and efficient transaction. Remember to always research and compare the fees and exchange rates of different service providers to get the best deal, and be aware of any potential risks or complications.